Hey there, curious minds. Today I'll show you how to download Visual Studio Code. So Visual Studio Code is a code editor developed by Microsoft, and it is used to develop many languages or program in many languages. For me, I'll use it to in front-end development. So to download Visual Studio Code, you will follow these steps. Just write download Visual Studio Code. Then go to this link, download Visual Studio Code, and choose your operating system. For me, I'm using Windows. So he gives you this message: thanks for downloading. Choose where you want to download. For me, I already download. Just wait some seconds to download, and then go to where you downloaded, click on it, then click on run, accept agreement, next, and next. Let these things, you can choose this create a desktop icon. For me, I will not choose it, and click on install. Just wait some minutes to install it in your computer. Let this button to launch Visual Studio Code and click finish. So here it is. Visual Studio Code now is installed in your computer. So see you in the next video.